In this video, you will learn how to install Neural Designer and launch it for the first time. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Before we begin working with Neural Designer, the first step is creating your account. Signing up is quick and takes less than a minute. Go to www.neuraldesigner.com and click on Login. As you are creating a new account, click on Sign Up. Enter your name, email address, and create a password. Remember that Neural Designer only allows corporate or institutional emails. After creating it, confirm your account through the email you receive. Once your account is activated, you can download Neural Designer. From the main menu, open the Download section. Here you can choose the version that matches your operating system: Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Click the Download button to save the installer to your computer. Once the installer is downloaded, open the file. Follow the on-screen instructions. Accept the license agreement, select the installation folder, and complete the setup. The installation usually finishes in less than a minute. When the installation finishes, launch Neural Designer and sign in with the same email and password you used during registration. Now you're ready to start building your first machine learning project. When the program opens, you will see the welcome screen with shortcuts to create a new project or open an existing one. If it's your first time using the software, everything is set up and ready to go. No extra configuration is required. Before you start working with Neural Designer, it's essential to understand how licensing works. Neural Designer offers a free trial with no time limit. During the trial, you have access to all major features, but with two restrictions: a maximum of 1,000 instances in your dataset, a maximum of 10 variables. If you need to work with larger datasets or more complex projects, these limitations can be removed by purchasing a license. Neural Designer is available under different licensing options, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your needs. To review all available options and pricing details, please visit www.neuraldesigner.com. Buy now. We offer licenses for both academic and commercial use. Academic licenses, designed for universities and research institutions, available for individuals and organizations. Options include research, teaching, and campus licenses. Business licenses, intended for companies and commercial applications. In addition, we provide professional training programs to help you develop the necessary expertise and make the most of the software. You can purchase your license directly through our website. We just need your billing details. For payment options, you can a credit card or PayPal. Alternatively, you may contact us to arrange payment via bank transfer. Once you complete your purchase, you will receive a confirmation email and your license will be activated. With the activation, all limitations are removed, and you will have full access to Neural Designer's capabilities. You are now ready to start working with Neural Designer. In the next video, we will explore the user interface and see how the main panels and tools are organized.